Whoa, what the heck just happened? Whoa, see a big one jump right there? Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Вот, чтоб телепалось по дороге. Ну,
Все,
что
а
вот...
теперь закрывай только аккуратно. Just touch it. Потихоньку.
Why don't you use a belt?
Because these are on a string.
Man, you're like worse than the black people.
I have a string, but I got
Hey,
shorts.
черный, look at this, look at his pants.
I got shorts. I got shorts underneath. It's sliding
Еще белые штаны эти одел, чтобы видно было, как запачкается.
No way. No way.
People, you know there's belts out there, you can just buy a belt.
There's no belt at the straps.
We could just burn those shorts, dude. What kind of shorts do you buy where, что потом ходят они, всю задницу у него смотрят, you know? Let's go. We got 2 more miles to go.
What?
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Dude, this is so much bait we're gonna try today. Wow, we got frogs.
You can get frogs.
We got these guys were good, this color.
Nah,
I haven't-
with your lotion.
That's a bag of garbage for garbage. Bags for garbage. Oh, that's off. If I would be spinning, I would have caught that. Dude, that's a sick boat, bro.
Yeah.
I gotta take these hooks off so we don't pop the boat.
It's probably like $300 or $400.
It's a raft. Do you have music on there?
No. Well, тут просто credit cards and everything.
Well, put it in my backpack.
Oh, perfect.
Because you don't go much, you don't need the best pole. Do the other one. Start another one.
Это ты все вот это rubber boat купил?
Yeah. Dude, I'm excited. I've been 3 years, I've been trying to figure out when I'm ever gonna go on a boat here. Yeah, and do barbecue. You know what I mean? So that's it. Well, should we grab a net? Yo,
You think, зачем?
just in case there's a big one.
Yeah, but мы доставать. You guys will lose.
Well, we gotta take it out, take a picture.
Yeah, okay. Have you guys made your fishing poles?
Huh?
Have you guys made it?
Right here, right here. Ah, тебе нету handle. Looks like it's not leaking air, да? She said it's good. Okay. What? We need it, dude. We're not coming back. We need it, dude. We're not coming back for a little. Take the bait you need because we're not gonna come back.
What you need, Jesus.
Are you retarded? I'm not gonna have bait all over my back, dude. Just take what you need because we're not gonna come back all the way from there to here if we need to try something different.
Take what you need, bro.
I want to try all these different colors.
Take what you need.
And put them on my hand.
In your bag.
Just take one of each. И все.
You take one of each.
Wow.
I don't need you to take all of them.
Okay, whatever, dude.
Давай. Что придумал, блин. Умничек.
It's like it's all organized. I don't want to lose all this stuff.
Go ahead, grab them all. That's what I do with mine.
That's messed
up.
That's why ты не имеешь рыбу ловить.
У меня лягушки есть.
Эй, достань мой box, clear box.
Так, это мои лягушки.
Это мои. I put them from my freaking two sizes. I just didn't want to grab. Я просто открыл, I set it up, и все. Сейчас I'm on a boat. You're on the shore. You don't need freaking box.
I'm going on a boat too. Я с вами сейчас буду через секунду. I want to try this first.
That clear box. Big one, big one, big one.
Белые?
I'm going to try every single thing because I don't know what they like.
You going to switch out right off the bat or what?
Right away. Dude, it's not bad. I can sit right here, dude. Yeah. Dude, look how comfortable I am, dude. Wow, dude. We're going in the middle right now. We're going to do casting in the middle. Dude, this is so much fun.
Там, и пошел.
Oh, right there, grassy areas, dude.
Yeah, давай roll.
Let's figure out where we're gonna go. Turn it the right way. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. That's good, that's good, that's good. Dude, I feel like there's a lot of fish in here. Okay, hey, we can't hit that. Sure.
We have to go a little bit deeper.
No, I gotta hit that grass, dude. Мы так сколько раз его проезжали. I think we're the only ones that have been to there where the turtles were. Remember how wild it was there? So much fish just chilling there and two turtles. Так, should we try first? This purple one? А? Менты? Кто? Yeah. They can see us, да? Yo! Fish! Fish, man! We got one! Look! Fish!
It's so small.
It's oh man. Dude, I'm gonna let you try this. This is so much fun. Here, look. Right here. Whoa! Did you see that thing jump out, dude? From my bait? Hey, we're getting closer. Dude, that was fast. There's so much bass here, dude. That's crazy. I don't think anybody ever fished here before. Whoa. I hooked it good. No. That's a tiny little baby. It's good for a tank. Dude, you should try this. Yeah, I'm spinning full blast. It's able to catch up and swallow it. Oh, I already know. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Did you see that fish? Right here. I saw it attacking, dude.
Dude, this go.
The big one's like. See, it's the tricky part. I don't know what the big one's like. You know what I mean?
So, you know.
I got seaweed and it's not spinning, that's why.
Where is it? That looks like an eagle.
White eagle, yeah. White eagle. Look, it's gonna. I am gonna do it.
Dude, he's gonna grab it probably if you put some fish.
Yeah, let's do it.
Watch.
Let's catch one.
Then you can show him and they can see it.
Ooh, I got a bite. Ooh, I got one. It's a bigger one, I think. Ah, dude, that was a bigger one, dude.
Mid-flight, that would be so sick to get it on GoPro. That.
Yeah.
Watch this. Just ты ему покажешь, he might grab it.
Whoa, I got one.
Okay.
It's fighting like crazy, dude. What is it? Ah, came off. It was not. It was a different kind of fish.
Saw the fish. Look.
Yeah. Got one. Oh, I got a bite. I get a bite? Whoa, I got one.
Whoa, there we go.
Whoa, this is bigger. This is bigger, dude, isn't
there
it?
There we go, yeah.
Dude, this is a fat one. Here, you want to take it off?
No, not
Hey,
that much.
hey, this is a fat one, bro. Yo, Pichka! Peter! Look! Dude, we're getting closer, Dad. Look how, this is, remember how tiny those guys were?
Love this thing.
Hey, oh, whoa!
It bounced.
It bounced off the boat. Every single cast, I get a bite. Every single cast, bro. Like, it's time for food.
Which one is mine?
Any of them.
I started one, Петька уже, наверное,
Петька, что ты сделал? Вот это кебаб. Сидит, жрет здесь.
Да.
Он уже ее слопал всю.
Ты ее съел?
Да.
Я по-китайски не понимаю.
Блин, оно такое.
Так и так, воняет, как твой.
Так on your fingers, руки ж не воняли.
I wash it with water.
No, that's not what I meant. And what? The battery's dead a long time ago. What are you talking about?